Okay guys, now we move on to second passage, and as usual you have to read the title of the passage. So the title of the passage is Literate Women Make Better Mothers. What does it mean? If the mother is educated, she can become a good mother. And then there is a question mark. What does it mean? Is education important for motherhood or not? So is it important for a woman to be educated to become a good mother, or without education she can become a good mother? So literate women make better mothers and question mark. So now we understand the passage is going to be about education of women and becoming a mother and all that stuff. After this we go on to questions and we see what are the questions. So the first question type that we have here is 14 to 18, and these questions are basically complete the summary using the list of words. Now we've got this list of words and we've got to complete the summary. And they have mentioned NB. NB means note well. NB, they've given this NB as well, note well. You may use any letter more than once. It means one letter can be used twice as well. Now what you have to do, first you will read the question, go to the passage, look for the paragraph or sentence where there is the answer. You will find the answer. Then you come back and see that answer is with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and then you will write that letter. Instead of writing that word, you will write that letter for the answer. Okay? So let's make a start. Now, logically, questions and answers should be in order, but IELTS reading sometimes it's wild. So questions and answers are not in order as well. Keep that in mind. Okay? Yeah, if you don't find in order, then check here and there. Anyways, we read the question. Question number 14. Nicaraguan National Literacy Crusade. Now this is proper noun. You can easily locate it. Nicaraguan, I'm reading question. Question number 14, please. Nicaraguan National Literacy Crusade aimed to teach large number of illiterate, underline large number of illiterate. Now our clue word is Nicaraguan National Literacy Crusade. Their purpose was to teach a large number of illiterate what? Illiterate men, women, children, adults and all that. Okay. Now please go back to the passage. Yeah, start from the first paragraph and tell me which paragraph is that? It's the third paragraph where you find the word Nicaragua. Got it? Okay. Now, let's see. I'm reading this third paragraph. Please follow me. In 1979, found it? Everyone on the paragraph. In 1979, government of Nicaragua established a number of social programs, including a national literacy crusade. By 1985, about 300,000 illiterate adults from all over the country. They didn't mention men or women. When they say 300,000 adults, it can be men, it can be women, it can be men and women, it can be anyone. But adults mean over 18, right? So now we go back and we look for a word that is another word for adults. Good. Now, for adults, what is the word here? Men and women. Do we have any other word? Option G. Yes. This is confusing because there they mentioned the word adults and children. Now, some of you don't read adults, adult G. Good. Hi, Canada. Tonight. Okay. So, it is actually wrong option. The correct one is for adults, they use the word men and women. So, question number 14, answer is B for boy. Yes, that's a very good question. Just write B. If you write B and then you write men and women, your answer will be absolutely wrong. In IELTS, listening and reading, whenever they label anything, label means A, B, C, D. Whenever they label anything, you will write that label, means A, B, C, D. Okay, that's important. All right, now let's read question number 15. And we will read it after full stop. From public health, please follow me. Public health, got it? Okay, public health experts have known for many years that there is a connection between child health and dash. Connection between child health and dash. Now we'll go back and look for child health and public health experts, and with child health the second word will be our answer. With child health. Okay, you've gone too far. It's the first paragraph. Please come to first paragraph. Let's read it together. First paragraph. Children in developing countries are healthier and more likely to survive past the age of 5 when their mothers can read and write. Experts in public health accepted this idea decades ago. So, do you find any clue here? No, we don't find any clue here. Let's read this. Children in developing countries are healthier and more likely to survive. They are healthier and they are more likely to survive past the age of 5. Right? When their mothers can read and write. Focus this sentence only. Children in developing countries are healthier, that is one thing, and more likely to survive past the age of 5 when their mothers can read and write. Let's go back to questions. Okay. Yeah, question number 15. There is maternal literacy. Well done. See that public health experts have known for many years that there is a connection between child health and maternal literacy. And what is the word for maternal literacy? Their mothers can read and write. Mothers, maternal, read and write, literacy. So question number 15, answer is F. F for maternal literacy. F for maternal literacy. F, exactly. F is the right answer. Now let's read on. Question number 16, please. However, it has not previously been known whether these two factors were directly linked or not. This question has been investigated by dash in Nicaragua. Who investigated this question in Nicaragua? Go back. Who investigated this question in Nicaragua? Nicaragua is in fourth paragraph once again. So please come to fourth paragraph. Fourth paragraph. Okay, I'm starting fourth paragraph from the beginning. During this period, found it? Everyone? Okay. During this period, researchers from Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine. Now please follow me. Researchers from where? Underline the word researchers. Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine. Central American Institute. Now that is another one. Okay. In Nicaragua. Now one is from Tropical Medicine, Liverpool. One is from Nicaragua, National Autonomous University of Nicaragua and Costa Rica Institute of Health. Now all these are from different parts of the world. Now researchers from different parts of the world. What does that mean? International. Okay. So we go back to the question. Answer is option C. C is an international research team. Now how do we know team? Because one research is from this place, one from that place, one from that place. So all of them, they made a team. So question number 16, answer is C for cat. As a result, now the talk continues. As a result, factors such as dash and attitudes of children. Now answer will come with attitudes of children. Factors such as dash and attitudes to children have been eliminated. Two factors have been eliminated. One is attitudes to children and second we are going to find. Now go on. Go to second paragraph and try to find this answer in second paragraph. Yeah. Second paragraph. Most literate women learnt to read in primary school, and the fact that a woman has had an education may simply indicate her family's wealth. Okay? Education may simply indicate her family's wealth, or that it values its children more highly. Family's wealth. Family's wealth. So let's go back to question. Family's wealth. Okay. Let's see. Family's wealth. So where do we have family's wealth? That is option J. Family wealth. So as a result, factors such as family wealth and attitude to children have been eliminated. So question number 17. What is the word for eliminated? Most literate women learn to read in primary school, and the fact that a woman has had an education may simply indicate her family's wealth, or that it values children more highly. Now, a long-term study carried out in Nicaragua has eliminated these factors. Got it? Eliminated these factors. And these factors are family's health and values its children. And for values, they use the word attitude. Well done. Very good. Question number 17. Answer is J. See, like this, you need to investigate every question when you go back home. Got it? Question by question. This is the question. This is the answer. Now, how? Focus. Spend 5 minutes, no problem. But you should understand at the end that this is the question. This is written in the passage. That's why this is the answer. Okay. Question number 18. Okay, and attitudes to children have been eliminated, and it has been shown that dash can in itself improve infant health and survival. Now, what can improve infant health and survival? That's what you got to find. Second paragraph. Well done. Very good. We've got second paragraph. Yeah. Second paragraph and second last line. Please follow me. We read it from, okay, second paragraph. We read it from second last line. Okay, that teaching reading to poor adult women who would otherwise have remained illiterate has a direct effect on their children's health and survival. Children's health and survival. So come back. Yeah, we are going to use one heading again, and that is heading number. Question number 18. Now, they've mentioned you can use one heading twice. So the second heading which we are going to use here is again F. What is F? Maternity, literacy. As they have mentioned, they've mentioned here reading to poor adult women who would otherwise have remained illiterate has a direct effect on their children's health and survival. If you read this sentence from third last line, please follow me. Second paragraph, third last line. Let's go back. Second paragraph and third last line. Let's read it now. I'm reading from here. A long-term study, found it? A long-term study carried out in Nicaragua has eliminated these factors by showing that teaching reading to poor adult women, teaching reading means making them literate, right? Who would otherwise have remained illiterate has a direct effect on their children's health and survival. So please come to the question. The question says here, eliminated, and it has been shown that, yeah, it has been shown that maternity literacy can in itself improve infant health and survival. Can improve, and for can improve, they've used the word direct effect. Direct effect and can improve. Question number 18, answer is F.